Well, hello everyone. It's been a great time in IT4990, the Integrated Action Learning Project class, the capstone class. Week 3 we did our presentations, some very good ones, I must say. One thing, looking back, please be aware of slide count. That will change as well as time limits on the one coming up for Unit 9. If there's any questions about that, let me know. The thing is, in a presentation, you don't have all that much time, all that many slides, so keep it simple, keep it to the point. Think of it sort of along the lines of an executive summary, or something a little bit longer than an executive summary, but something that touches on the most important things that an executive would need to know about what you're proposing. It doesn't have to be the whole proposal, just what they really need to know. Any questions about that, please let me know. Let's see, week 4 we're looking at the self-analysis, lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is something you should take quite seriously. That is also a big part of our ABET accreditation, because they do consider it to be very important, because things along the lines of engineering and technology do change quite rapidly, and that looking at lifelong learning is going to be critical to your future careers. So please take this seriously. Looking further ahead, Unit 5, we're going to be having the what they call literature review, which is also an annotated bibliography. What that is you're going to find at least 7 sources and put those 7 sources in APA format, and then after each of those sources put a brief description of that source. Now you can take those 7 sources, the APA citation information and the brief synopsis of it, and put them in order according to theme, so you can categorize them. It's not all that difficult. It's a pretty easy thing, but if there are any questions, again, let me know. I do get back to the Ask the Instructor and my course emails very quickly. I hope you've noticed that. Going ahead to week 6, we have the initial proposal, which is going to be all the documentation we've created so far. Now, presentations are not documentation, so don't throw your slides into this. Those are a separate item. Presentations are separate from the documentation. Now, when you put your documentation together, make sure your sections are well written, have a proper introduction. Be sure that things are in complete sentences, so in case you have bullet points or items within your SWOT or any of the other areas, please write them out in complete sentences. That does make a bit of difference. Also, there will be some new sections that will be created for that initial proposal. Those can be outlined, but when you do the outline, please write all of the items in there in complete sentences. It will actually help flesh it out quite a bit more, help you complete your thoughts, and when you do write everything out for the final, which is week 10, it will go a lot smoother. But so far, so good for the class. Quite impressed with the presentations and other work so far. If there are any questions, if there's going to be travel or other things that come up that will keep you out of the course, let me know. I am willing to be flexible as needed, and really want to see you guys succeed. So have a great week, and hope to have another video out for you next week. Thanks.